Hey guys, today I'll speak about advantage and objective of digital marketing. And after all, I'll speak about scope of digital marketing. Nowadays, I'll speak first of all. I start how digital marketing is beneficial for others for the traditional marketing. So today I'll speak. First of all, I listen carefully. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the process which can be applied digital digital platform, which can be utilized by the digital platform. Digital marketing is that kind of marketing process which can be utilized digitally way of medium, digitally way of sources, such as there is a many sources we can there is many sources. It's known as digital platform. Number one, I can say that social media optimization, which is known as smo, social media optimization. And another things, website marketing. Next one is website marketing, and next one is email marketing, SMS marketing, blog promotion, content promotion, and video promotion also, which is part of YouTube's or many others part. So, my dear friend, today I'll speak about how it's beneficial for the marketer. If you, how First one, I'll speak about advantage. Number one, it helps to time management, means it can be used, you it can be applied for the time management process, means effective way of time consumption. Number two, I'll start time efficient way of efficient way of technique maximization, means upgrading process of the technique, upgrading process of the modern marketing technique, which is based on marketing automation process with the different kind of channel, different kind of sources. It will be a website, maybe it will be a social media. I can say that social media is number one, uh, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Twitter. Now previous it's known as TikTok also. It's a big platform of consumer consumer outcome process communication, which its its scope is very bright, means digital marketing scope is very bright. Right now I'll speak about how it's beneficial for the consumer and marketer, means digital marketing is a sources of communication system which is effective and efficient way of using of digital key concept, digital strategy, digital resources which can be, it helps to, means it's a promotional tools. Digital marketing it's based on promotional tools and techniques. It's very effective, cost oriented. It's efficient way of audience generating process. Means I can say that it is effective way of consumer optimization process. Such example, if your target audience is if your target audience is fashion designer, so you can easily reach to the fashion industries, fashion marketer, such as, I can say that who is the best designer, Manish Malhotra. It's best right now I can say that Manish Malhotra is the best designer of the fashion industry. Okay, so Manish Malhotra is the best. So can it means it can you can easily you can directly approach to the consumer. Secondary thing, second objective, consumer optimization process. Second, time management, means digital platform which which can be provide minimum time duration according to the revolutionary process. If you are a digital marketer, if you are a digital marketer, you should have to give the time. If you are not giving the time, you will not achieve the target. So right now it's cost efficient. So don't take no, it's only for the simply process. It's not a simply process. So you should have to maintain yourself. Means you should have to regular promote yourself according to video, as for the content, as for the blogs, as for the messages, as for the SMS also. This is the part. Okay, so means if you are connecting to the consumer, if you are making to the relation, if you want to build up the relationship between consumer and marketer, you should have to utilize the digital marketing, which is best tools of the modern marketing concept. So guys, listen carefully and understand it. So my dear friend, today third one I'll speak cost effectiveness. How? If you are going to the if you are reaching to the directly if you are reaching directly to the consumer, means you should have to travel maximum time travel. If your example, if you are going to the if your client is in Ahmedabad or Mumbai, so it will take time, it will take more time. Cost, how? Traveling expenses, your maintenance, your personal expenses, and another things, your time effort, your time, it will take time, means your time is totally lost. So it helps to reduce the time process. So you can optimize as for the globally process. So I can say that digital marketing is a global process. Okay, understand it. So guys, there are many tools, there are many to process. So I can say that digital marketing is a modern process of marketing automation system which is based on different tools and strategy also. So guys, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a proprietor of public limited or private limited, so guys, calculate yourself, calculate your budget, how much expenses you are using, so how much amount you are using in the marketing system, so that then you can decide yourself what kind of marketing process you want. So we will help you, our team will help you. So guys, listen carefully, think about yourself, prepare your case study, prepare your project, prepare your cost sheet, prepare your budget. And another thing I'll speak. So guys, number 4 scope, I'll tell you. It is target oriented consumer optimization process, means digital marketing future is very bright. So you can easily reach to the consumer with the minimum time duration, with the minimum cost efficiency. So guys, please carefully listen carefully. It will be helpful for you. It will be helpful for you consumer also. It will be helpful your friend also. If you are marketer, proprietor, and CEO also, startup business also. Because after 5 years, it will be groomed just like fire. It will be a fire. Now its demand is digital marketing demand will be very high. It will be increase. So guys, listen carefully and think about yourself. Think about your business. If you want to start your own firm, if you want to start your own business, if you want to start your company, so please think carefully. So then you can expand your business. Thank you so much. Another thing, I'll speak and watch my video. I'll speak my next video. Thank you so much.